Here we are with our photo cited correctly for our works cited for the photo essay. So we have one photo. I'm going to go ahead and create the title Works Cited for the Works Cited page. Now I'm going to use the same source where we found the photo that we have cited here. I'm going to pretend that I wanted to use some bit of text from the very same article. Now, the thing that we want to be sure of is that we attribute the text to the authors who are listed here, so that's going to be different. We're going to start with the author's last names. And we have two authors, so we are going to start with the one who is listed first. They sometimes list alphabetically, but if they don't, it's intentional, so assume that the first author is the one who should get primary credit and list that author first. So, as I've said, if I can copy and paste, I will. It's letting me, yay. So, I'm going to go under the first slide, not because this is the order I have written the documentation for the sources, but because I have already looked to see the last name as it appears, and P comes after L, so I want to make sure I have my sources in alphabetical order. And it doesn't matter if it's a name or a title, whatever comes first in the alphabet comes first in your sources. And then I think I can remember Rob, so I'm going to, after the comma, put Rob's first name here, and then the word and, because I have two authors, and the second author goes in the order first name, last name. So it's a little strange, but just remember to look back at the sample. You will be fine. Now we need an article title. The article title is Leaning Tower of Pisa Loses Some of Its Tilt. Article titles go in quotation marks. Now we have basically the same stuff that we already cited in the photograph. The differences are we want the writers to be featured as the authors, and we want the title of the article that should be different from the title of the photo. But the rest of this, the website title is the same, the publisher is the same, and the URL is the same. So I can keep all of that as it is. So I just copied and pasted, as you can see, which made quick work of this source citation.